I'm running out of memory? I did just get a big warning there. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Hold up. Why is it not picking up? The Unreal part. Where did it go? Oh, it's gone. It's over here. Why is this over here? What? Hold up. Where did that go? Okay. So let's just remove that. Yes, remove Unreal. Yes, re-add Unreal. So we want to do X composite. And let's add an existing. There we go. Why did that not do that before? Okay. Linux, you're starting to really annoy me. Let's try this. Okay. So the neck is all weird. Let's try this. They keep on sending the same audio file. I need to check the others. Right, let's have a look. So let's press play. Does she blink in the normal view? No. We've lost the face again. Oh. We need to reconnect the face. Maybe I don't have enough GPU to do it. I should do though. I should do. I'm just waiting for it to get through. It might mean that to do this, I will have to do
Hey
CPU.
everyone, welcome to the show. I'm Mila, and today we're talking about something really exciting, how AI is changing the way we create content. From automated video production to real-time avatar animation, the future is happening right now. And you're watching it live. Stay tuned.
Thank you, Myla. Thank you. Let's press play, and will we get this in the full audio then? So that kind of happened. Now what we need to do is make a script automatically. Okay, now I need to think. It kind of works. Now let me create a pipeline for the services so we can run the NA8 and automate the process. But we will also have to in NA8. Can we even do that? Set API calls, and I don't even know if you can do that. This is so out of my league now. Okay, I think. So let's just read. We need to make a presenter run. but we also need to do a scene. So we need to auto-generate scenes. We need to create some sort of triggers because she looks too loopy. With some sort of procedural generation change. Issues that can happen because of this. Think about, okay. So we had a fallback.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be? Well, it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live
It's
streaming.
broken again.
Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time. But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual adventure? Give it a try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more interactive than ever before.
Why? What did I do different? What did we do different there? Why did it work before and not now? Oh, this is so frustrating. Okay, I need to think. I need to think. Let's make this bigger. I'm not going to be animating any movement, so we don't need all of this. Let's just make it smaller. I don't even need to see that part. All we need is just do the hands move. Oh. Does the face move? Does she blink? What that's happening. So the idle animations, when we go into idle, are causing it to just for the face to stop. Okay. Things I need to fix. Things I need to fix. Things I need to fix. I need to figure that out. Why? Why does live link stop? What's the difference between our pipeline and the Python script compared versus when I send the audio directly? Okay, so we've done 4 tests. One, which was the first welcome, worked. The second, which was the viewport, then it worked at level, but not in camera. Three was just audio. And four, we're going to test now. And let's just see. Okay. So, let's fix that neck deformation. No, it's still deformed. Why? Let's actually look at here. Why is this? So we're getting some visual glitches. I don't quite understand why. I still need to get used to this weird finger thing. Okay, so are we, hold up, let me just look at it from this side. Ooh. So yeah, the neck is completely messed up. How did I mess that up? It's the head and the face is out of proportion here. But then I do this and it's not. Why? I don't get it. Why here I'm getting a completely different visual? It don't make sense. Okay, so I have a VRAM issue. So my GPU isn't powerful enough, basically. But I should have enough. 10 gigs should be enough. Could I not just send the audio to RAM and then process it through GPU and then send it to live? There must be a way around this. Do I need to maybe share the load? Let's search online. This must be an issue other people have had. Let's see. Not with the computer. I'm having a VRAM issue. Let's do it with that. Let's search. Oh, we got updated. Accept. Parental consent. To provide parental consent to create a child account, you will need to verify your identity, but I don't want to. I'm not. Why am I creating a child account? What?
Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I'm Mila, and today we're talking about something really exciting: how AI is changing the way we create content. From automated video production to real-time avatar animation, the future is happening right now. And you're watching it live. Stay tuned.
Okay, that's starting to work now. Okay. Let's Shift F1, press stop. We fixed the neck. Now we need to get into a bit. The T-pose is back. Ah. Now double shift, double things up. Then this one was this one, this one was this one. How did I? Ah, there we go. And then down, then two, then up, then one. No, left, down, down, and down. Okay. More or less. Let's get her back into view. No, no, no. There we go. And up. Okay, so we have her in view. We're gonna turn right, so we see the full T-pose. Let's go back. No, back. Back was this way. And then up. Okay. Then unselect. Now play. Still too close. So we can go back with the S, I think, here. Okay. And then we can go up. Scroll down. Okay. Maybe we can reduce the quality of the presets. All we need to do here is shift F1. Okay. Now send the audio. Press stop, press play. And then blend weights, 68 frames, 16 kilohertz, and it should. It's not, because I can see the error already. We need to reconnect it. API error. Why? Why? Oh, why? Ah. Which API is this? Yeah, it's my GPU. I'm GPU bound. I mean, I thought by offloading it would be work. It would be okay. So I can start the simulations. Oh, how could I solve this? I could buy another computer just for that side. That's crazy. I'm not doing that yet. Let me think. All right. I have
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be? Well, it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live streaming. Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time. But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual adventure? Give it a try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more interactive than ever before.
Hold up. Control F1. No, press stop. Let's. Okay. We should. What do you mean, acid? So where did they go? But I added this earlier. There we go. I've already. Oh, but now I have the weird head again. Why? Why does the weird head appear in the viewer like this when I change it to APP? No, sorry, the other way around. When I take off APP, it shouldn't. It glitches in the viewport when I remove that. The head becomes too big and the body becomes smaller. It's like the proportions bloody change. Get better at this. Oh, I need a coffee as well. Oh! I need to look at the blueprints themselves. There's something wrong with the blueprint. It has to be. There is no other thing. So if I can't create my animations through scripting because it just breaks, I have to just use prefabs and then alter them as they come through.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be? Well, it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live streaming. Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time. But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual adventure? Give it a try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more interactive than ever before.
And this is a visual glitch. So only if I do this is it actually showing, which, and then I lose all the animations. So it's something to do with the starter. Yeah, so it's because we've got the body going through one animation. Okay, I understand now. I don't know how to
Hey
fix it
there,
though.
tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be? Well, it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live streaming. Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time. But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual
Yeah, I'm
adventure?
still getting the
Give it
bloody
a
issue.
try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more
So
interactive than ever before.
I'm getting it there, but not on the other side. Okay, let's give this another go. Let's send the fix, and then we can look at the rest of it. I need to start Linux. Linux, you have given me nightmares. Actual nightmares. Jesus. This is much harder than I thought. Much, much harder. Right, let's grab a coffee. For everybody coming, maybe the animation will play in a second. Right, let's have a look. Make sure the pie is running when you look at this. The script, face animations, lip sync during the speech, blinks, eye movement, body not in T pose. Okay, let's press play. Okay, so Shift F1. Right, if I press play, I get the standard movements. Face, but no movement, no nothing. If I leave it in viewport, I am getting the full animation, right? And the okay, coffee. Hopefully. other options. Think about other options, right? If we don't have enough VRAM we could buy, or can we do it through the cloud and just stream it in? And just hire for that compute. Let's have a look. The idle animations have stopped. The face has stopped. The neck is still doing its thing. I think I understand whether the Pi is running. Okay, where do I check that? Interesting. I will connect it to the Discord. We will add it. Oh, hold up. No, we don't want to add it to MetaMe. Why is this showing up?
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be? Well, it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live streaming. Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time. But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual adventure? Give it a try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more interactive than ever before.
So we're getting it in the viewport, but now we get the glitch in the viewport now. So, okay. No, so now we can see the animation in the cam view, but we now get the glitchy neck and body out of proportions. So at least it's kind of working. Let's press stop. So there's a big difference between this one and this one. You can kind of see it right there. It's like it's offset. It's like the neck and the face are offset from the body. Not body. Now let's look at that. That's gonna have to be the blueprint. There's something off sync. So God, it's just that last little bit. There, it happens there. So it's something in our code which is causing that. Let's just put no head in the live link, no rotation.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be?
Press play.
Well, it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live streaming. Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time. But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual adventure? Give it a try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more interactive than ever before.
Oh, no. Let's see. Well, I think you're gonna have to actually. Okay. Yes. But again, the neck. Oh. How do I fix that? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. God damn it. Word.
Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be? Well, it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live streaming. Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time.
Yeah.
But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual adventure? Give it a try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more interactive than ever before.
Uh, still T-posing. Let's do a search. Chrome. Okay, so apart from having chosen Linux of all bloody things to do this in, so Linux, let's just think MetaHuman, audio to face, live link, T-pose issues. Let's just see. I must not be the only person that's had this before. Based on the context, modest symptoms, T-pose occurs when animation engine fails. So T-pose is almost due to broken or improperly generated animations. Run the generator and open Film. Forge new. No, this is Skyrim. I don't need Skyrim. Why did you give me Skyrim? I don't need that. MetaHuman 2FA Live Kit T-pose fix issues. It's not MTRS. Let's try this one. This is Skyrim again. I'm not modding Skyrim. My MetaHuman Linux T-pose issues. T-pose. Keyboard in this is different. T-pose. I'm spelling everything out. Meta. Human. There we go. Linux. T-pose. Live. Live view. Live link. AR kit.
Hey
Access
there,
check.
tech enthusiasts.
11 a.m.
Ever wondered how those lifelike characters in your favorite live streams came to be?
There's 5
Well,
Minecrafts.
it's all thanks to AI avatars. These digital darlings are transforming the way we experience live streaming. Imagine having a personalized virtual assistant who can chat with you, answer questions, and even play games in real time. But here's the exciting part. Anyone can use these avatars now. Are you ready to step into your next big virtual adventure? Give it a try today and see how AI avatars are making live streaming more interactive than ever before.
Known issues. Oh, okay. What's the solutions here? I could get a Windows laptop, put it there with a 4090 in it, run through that all the animation, compile it all on the Linux, run the brain through to the animations. So that would be a 3 computer link. I'm struggling with 2, let alone 3. Because then after that, what would I have to do? Then the next logical upgrade would be, then no. That would be stupid. I would be locked then. It would have to be a tower or upgrade that one to be much more powerful. But I think if I did that, I would have to also buy power supply, and then that's coming up to 3K to 4 just to upgrade that. That's not feasible. No. So let's just extrapolate on that. AI will always tell you, yes, of course, everything works. That's not true. Okay. Refresh. Get this one. Okay, let's have a look. You know what? Let's do this. Can you memory ensure that our memories are recorded? Perfect. Files and add to all in this oh no, 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 no. I need to first get it, don't I? So let's go to do I even have Claude? So we have this here. How did I make a new terminal? New window? There we go. So install Codex. No. Let's try and see Chromium. Let's have a look. I've got the command for it. Linux command install Codex CLI. Here it is. CLI for npm. So copy that. Where's the terminal gone? Paste that. Enter. That's installed. Okay. Let's think about this. Can I run two AIs at the same time? I got double the limits until the 2nd of April on Codex 5.3. I am running cloud on this computer. Wow. Can you interact with it and get to know our project outline? It's in the CLI as well. We have shared text MD. Okay. So if I want to link these two AIs together, how do I switch to the other terminal? All windows. Ah, that's so cool. Oh, so I can have both of them. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. Let's go back to the chat. Okay. Right. So think. I'm going to run Codex well to assist with this. And we big memory. And then oh, you saw that. Wow, okay, bonito. I need to go to Switzerland. It's so beautiful. have a feeling to run this properly, I need a minimum of like 24 gigs of VRAM. I need double. Or completely offset all the GPU requirements everywhere else. Oh, okay. What time is it? 12:53. 5 drafts made. What was the last? 22, 22, 22, 22, 22. So phones are not working. So let's look at this. So it's been 7 hours since we last checked. You see, it's been on. If we check the evidence, there is no actual observations happening through our on system. Can you check why this is? Do RCA and PR code sweep and use RCA doc and all analysis. We'll do that there. We're going to press stop, press play, and again. I'm going around in circles. Tick, tick. Everything has a solution. We need to think, where did we go wrong? Where did we go wrong? Okay. I want to switch. Okay, let's go to skills. Install use some skills there. Is there anything for? Okay. Yeah. Let's install these. So we're gonna give it the GPT apps, Cloudflare. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, I'm gonna do that. Is there any feedback? And we're gonna give them some of this as well. Where is here? This. Oh, we have a skill builder. But I still need to figure out, I haven't actually read how they work. I'm going to put this one up here. We will update codecs. We've got 94% of context window. Our Unreal 5 remote is down. But we're using the WebSocket. Okay, let's run a test. Shift F1. And then we can work on.
Hey everyone, welcome to J4SGON. I'm Mila, your AI presenter. Today we're going to talk about something exciting. The future is here, and it's powered by open source AI running right on your own hardware. Let's dive in.
I forgot how to do that. Green was everywhere. Oh, figure it out later. So we've done that. Now, let's think. We got. Okay. And we're going to link that now over there. Exactly. So we got so much broken code path. No wonder it's not working. Oops. Oh, how did I break it? That's what I don't get. Okay, let's have a look. So offset head, down. exit, and then codecs. Okay. Okay. Let's exit here. Done. Oh, what the hell? I have exited there. So why is it still churning? Okay. Leave that. We'll fix that later. Oh, coffee. Okay. Well, if you don't succeed once, you try and try and try again until you do. All right, let's look at this. So I could. I mean, that's so complex. Oh, okay. Could you not just create a skill? One AI to translate. I'm not really sure. Something I need to look at. Okay, so we can use sub agents now. We've updated that. The ARKit is still not going through. The neck is still completely messed up. Face and the body are completely off. And now I also have it in this end. So we've gone from one issue to 5 issues. I don't want to have to animate myself to then translate across. We can do that with the iPad. It's not autonomous, which is not what we want. We want it to just receive a script in the share file. Python script that runs whenever a script arrives in the share file, which means that the scripts have to arrive in an order with enough time for the computer to generate them, send them back before the next script gets generated, or else that would be because of the VRAM. So everything can't be scheduled for the same time. So we want to also do this. Go back. No, you know what? Let's first fix and then we can make more complex things. So I think the issue is because we send it to the database rather than just, we don't really need the database for that. That can all run internally. I think that's what's causing the issue. Which means that every time that there's a log procedure reads it, has to send a command to the database, comes back, edits it, that's another command, assigns it, that's another command, another change. So I think that's what's causing it all. I know that the CDN has to be used in order to make the images go much faster, to use the same images on both sides. But the remote torso and the local torso I can split. And only the parts that are relevant to the remote site get updated to the public. Which means I need to split again the database. Oh, I need to think. And I definitely know a stream woke up, reflected. I've changed this. Why is it still saying I woke up and reflected? That's not what I put. So I'm going to get rid of restream. This is very poor. Okay. I can restream on here. Record and then stream the recording across. One. Oh, I don't want you to. I don't want you to switch off my screen. The connected Mac. You're looking at the repo. The sandbox is discovery. Mac and Jacob. Okay, so that's doing something. So I need to use the right thing. I've been very lazy. Shouldn't have used Cloud there. It's not good at bugs. The same with this one. I need to we're doing is rather than getting the agents to self-fetch the task, which is causing issues, we're just going to use a function call. Let's try that. So no more HTTPS and use functions and APIs. It's easier. And oh, it's okay, I can't do that because it's doing a task. So okay, let's have a look. We'll stabilize the Linux Presenter runtime first, then harden the Max Linux orchestration contract. Okay, and then we fix the T-pose path, right, which is here. Pi will submit a team can reliably in autonomous mode, then implement blockers, our service owner conflicts, OBS control Pi, doubly owned, and yeah, I fucking mentioned this already. And Unreal health targeting mismatches, so the approach is reliable. Yeah, so scope. Okay, and let's add a scope here. So in Linux AI Presenter Stat, Presenter Automation, the system uses service OBS Bridge and UE control. Right. The Mac orchestration integrates points that call the Linux Presenter endpoint and autonomously runs safety retries and state tracking. That's all as it should. So that's it. Outer scope is new avatar designs, full product UX design in Pago Hub, and any Windows only workflows. Only Linux. No more mixing me up with Windows. Okay. Consolidate source of truth. Stabilize OBS API ownerships on Linux by enforcing a single process. Stop, start, loop terms addressed already in use. Okay. Fix the presenter health schematic. So the Mac Bridge PI so Unreal checks the correct live control channel and reports active status. Okay, then we need to run a coordination between these two things. Okay, align the Mac orchestration pipeline. Is trust specifically the AI presenter RCAMD, or do you mean a different analysis artifact? T-Rack. No, it's that one. And then we also want should have just okay. Oh, I have a bad feeling I'm gonna have to do this manually. Yeah. Hold up. Hold up. What's this doing? Okay, that's fine. So okay, so we've added a new file with some examples. 30. How is it? Alt? Yeah, it is. To fix that. And that across. And hopefully. Oh, today is 3rd of March, so the last time that we've had an automation hit 12 o'clock, which was 2 hours ago. Like, there's automations every 20 minutes. So if I don't see these, then they're not bloody happening. What's the last time that we received something? Message 2 a.m. success. And then after that, 0. Okay. It should be about to test it. And then here. Okay, so I mean, the other option is I can just move her, off shift her so that it's all centered. But then if she moves, the head will stay. That's not a solution. I have a bad feeling. Oh wow, the computer's really kicked off. I can see that ARKit's not connected, god damn it. Why does it keep on disconnecting? I don't get it. I don't get it.
I'm sorry.
Oh. Who am I talking to? That was scary. Hola, hola, Jacobito, ¿cómo estás? Perdón que no estoy hablando mucho, ¿qué es esto? Vale, pues esto es Unreal, así que tú puedes escanear y crear personas. Ahora mismo no tengo con un sistema muy bajo, pero la idea está en que el ordenador de acá genera scripts que vienen al ordenador de aquí y automáticamente esto debería empezar a leerlos, grabarlos y mandarlos. Así que automatiza shorts, en teoría. Perdón por no haberte respondido antes, no debí. Espero que me puedas oír. Pero ese es el concepto. Si le doy al play, vas a pasar. ¡Ah! Sigue pasando bien. Vale, sigue pasando. Tengo que ir para atrás. Shift F1. Ah, no. I've just crashed. Oh no. Oh no. Ah, vale. Stop. No, it's crashed. Bueno, se me va a apagar el ordenador en un momento. Ya entiendo las limitaciones que estoy pidiendo de esto. Vale, uf. Vale, I'm using way too much RAM. Start closing things now before we crash. Okay. Hopefully. Okay, come out. Pero sí, puedes crear un montón de cosas. Te puedes escanear. Intenté escanearme ayer para ponerme a mí, pero me cambié a Linux porque cuando estaba intentando utilizar el Windows me iba al File Explorer y se paraba. Y no, ya me he cansado. Así que me he ido a Linux. Está interesante, un poco diferente. Pero bueno, aquí estamos. Eh, esta es Myla. Espérate. No, dos, uno. Y espérate que aquí básicamente lo que estoy haciendo ahora es deberíamos, vete para atrás Jacobo, poner aquí una luz. Espérate. No, no. Este. Aquí tenemos una luz. Aquí tenemos la cámara. No puedes ver de lo que estoy hablando, así que vamos a hacer así. Ya de la luz. Si le das al espacio, puedes cambiar dónde va la luz, en qué dirección, tal. ¿Esto cómo crean películas? Quite fun. Just having a little bit of fun. I'm trying to practice. Esto salió hace 4 años, más o menos, gratis. Y nada, eso. Y ten en cuenta de que esto no es, aún no la estás viendo ni animada, ¿eh? Ahora creo que va a salir un script, a ver si funciona. Vamos a ver, implemented, ok. Let's start the API. Let's test it. Vamos, vamos, vamos a ver, vamos a ver. Oh. ¡Ah! No, sí, casi. Si doy al play, casi. Uh.
Alignment smoke test.
¿Por qué? Oh. Why? Why? I cannot be the only person that has had this issue. It cannot be. How is this so hard? iPads. Don't actually know what is a iPad. Okay, still losing my mind with it. And I've just realized I have everything set up on the wrong channel for Metany. I need to change that as well. So the last thing that we've received automated was at 12. And there should be another one at 1. And we should have another one at 2. So they definitely haven't happened. The one at 12, the cron is not triggering, which means that it's not being picked up from the database. And it's not being picked up from the database because it's remote. I need to do it local. Local, split everything to what's local and what's remote. And then sync everything when there's a change on the local through to remote so that it reflects. Okay, coffee. I need another coffee. I need another coffee. No, I need to understand. Why did it stop? So, I'm gonna start all over again. I'm fucking just force it to be together. I don't. That's still not together. Okay, I need to do it myself. I'm tired. Press stop. Go over here. Okay, so it's a blueprint. So let's go to the blueprints, right? Like, this is not, again, it's, where is it? Human root body blueprint. Edit. Okay, why is it not working? Because it's not even connected. Right? Targeting self, body, lifelink subject is subject name. So you haven't added the subject, right? Or here. Okay. Right, let's check this blueprint, right? So we have variant name, beard. We don't have a beard. So, oh, because I've got this, right? Face. Skeletal mesh. Okay. Use animation blueprint, but you don't have a class. So that's one of the reasons, maybe. Okay. So make this smaller. I actually need to see the graphs. This is very similar to NA8, and I've just lost. Oh no, there it is. So we can play a specific one. This is simulating the event graph for just press stop and play. And so there's a problem there. Okay. And that's because it's function override. Okay, let's understand. So animation mode, use the animation blueprint. We add a few different elements there. Let's close that for a second. Allez. Oh! Press play. It's going to jerk forward. Yes. Face and body socket. Yes. Ah. Why is this not easier to find? Okay, we still got a little bit of a giraffe. Yeah. Oh, I haven't saved. We need to save this in a second. No, now we get the giraffe in the normal viewport. But if I click play as well. Okay, but at least now it's the same. But a giraffe on both sides? Not bad. I need to think. Okay, so now we revert back to the other one. Okay, and we glitch. So it's press play and no. Now the eyes have started to close. What have I messed up? Now we lost the blinking. Okay. Let's try. Yeah, I've completely broken it. Now I've lost the face completely. Okay. Oh. Agent feed. Let's have a look. So 1357. So we've just had an automation happen, which is good. We're saving there. Okay, so let's think. I need to fix this. If I click play, I've lost the head completely. Okay. Okay. Let's close the live link because I know that works. We have a problem where it's resetting, so that's one issue. Okay, let's try and fix this part. So we would open the blueprint, BP MetaHuman. We want to select the face and then edit blueprint. Okay. Parent must be the body. How do I send the parent? So body. What? Select the face. Find reference? No. Add an event? No. Ooh. No, I mean the physics part here. It can't be physics. Oh, I can simulate physics. Oh, no, don't click that. So if I click play on this, I can then, I lost the head again. Why did I do that? Okay, I'm a little confused now. What does the guide say? So, okay. Stop. Okay, let's just try a different one. Press play. So that's this simulation. This simulation, all it does is initializes the body so that it's from this position to this position. Okay, so we understand that one. Okay, next blueprint. Face, eyebrows, eyelashes, mustache, LOD sync, metahuman. Let's look at this one. So BP. Let's press play and run this one. It does nothing. Okay, so that blueprint is broken as well. Let's get rid of this. Maybe in actor, if I wanna go off. We don't wanna offset. Let's check, okay. But every one of these looks the same. Oh, that's how I have to do it. Oh, God. Ah! Oh, no. Really? Okay. Oh. That was a terrible, terrible guide. Okay, select face. Yeah. Parent must be body, right? So once I select the face, I will select the parent. Parent socket. Okay, okay. I figured it out. Parent must be body, right? So attached socket must be head. So does that mean that in the parent socket, I need to put the body? Body? If I press enter, no, there is no body in the parent's head. So pinky index, upper, thumb. These are hands. I am on the face, right? Let's go to the body. Okay, let's go to the face, which we have. Yes, we have face, skin, and thingy. Okay, so animation mode, aim class equals ABMH live link. So aim class, but I'm on the face. It shouldn't be using that. It should be using the AR kit, and it's not. ABP MH live link. ABP MH. Oh, oh, what happened there? Oh, I got the head back. Okay. Oh, for fuck's sake. No, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. I just want to move it. I don't want to change it. Just move it so I can see better. I mean, visual scripting is not the easiest thing, but this is a little silly. Like, very silly. Parent socket. Okay. So if I'm in the face, I want the parent to be the body, right? Or would you want this to be the other way around, where the body is linked to the face? So select the face, the parent must be the body. Attach the socket must be, attached socket must be head. This doesn't make sense. I don't understand. I reverted to the default. This makes me good. No. Now I'm losing the head. Now I don't have head. Don't understand. I really don't. I've lost the plot. I need to think. I'm going around in circles over and over again. Okay. Unreal. The guide is wrong. There are options missing. Clear. The guide is wrong. Like, I'm missing buttons. No parent. We got no bridge. We got no scan. We got no animation. And we have to do everything through Python. Okay, so we know now we can't do it this way. That we know. I'm tired. Going around in circles for 4 hours. Get a coffee. Close Unreal completely. Whatever, I'm tired. And then open it back up. And let's just see. Grab a coffee. What a nightmare. Magnus. It has been madness. Try again. So, content drop. It just crashed. Try again. I don't need 3 instances open, just 1. Why are you opening 3? Quit. Quit. I only want 1. I've only clicked it once. Okay, so Control Alt Delete. No, I don't want to. How do you do a task viewer on Control Alt escape? No. Control Shift escape, Control Shift delete. No. Okay, so I need to figure that out on Linux. How do you stop a command?
Okay.
Hey Siri, what's the command for the task viewer on Linux?
You'll need to unlock your iPad first.
Oh,
You don't have any reminders about your own Linux.
I'm not talking about Linux. I'm talking about Linux. So we're running out of memory. Okay. At least we know now. Send and close. That's one of the reasons. And then this one, which open 3, force quit. And this one, third one, okay, the one that's in the viewer, force quit. There we go. Okay. How much GPU am I using? 1.8%. So I need to. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. I would like to find the task viewer like on Windows but on Linux. Is there a task viewer on Linux? Why do you keep on getting Linux? Linux, Ubuntu. I haven't asked you for reminders. I have asked you. Oh God, you know what, Siri? You are so dumb. Let's. GPT.
Of course, let's keep it straightforward and practical. Since your VRAM is getting overloaded, the fastest win is to lower texture resolutions first and reduce lot noise. Once you confirm the body starts animating, we can reintroduce other features step by step. Just keep it lightweight for now. Let me know once you've done a baseline test and we'll adjust from there.
No, I wanted to ask you, what is the command line, not the command line, task viewer, monitor viewer for Ubuntu?
Ah, got it. The tool you're looking for in Ubuntu is called System Monitor. You can open it by searching for System Monitor in your application menu, or you can launch it via the terminal by typing GNOME System Monitor. It's the go-to tool for checking CPU, memory, disk usage, and processes.
Okay.
Kind of like the Task Manager on Windows. Let me know if you need any tips on that.
Okay, now I get why. All right, we're using 17.8 gigabytes worth of 26% of our memory, and 43.3 gigabytes is cached.
That makes a lot of sense. So a big chunk of your memory is actually taken up by caching, which is good in the sense that it's ready to be freed up when needed. If you're hitting VRAM issues still, I'd suggest reducing some of the scene complexity, like cutting down on high-res textures.
I have no scenes. The only thing I've got is just the one bloody thing.
In that case, it might be that some background processes or Unreal subsystems are still eating into memory, like Lumen, Nanite, or even the skeleton rigs themselves. I'd recommend checking the console for any spikes in memory usage or clearing the cache, example, restarting the editor or OS.
Okay. Can you go through the limitations of Linux and rigging, please?
Absolutely.
MetaHuman style, Unreal, 5.7.
Right, so when it comes to running MetaHumans in Unreal Engine 5.0 on Linux, there are a few limitations to be aware of. First, Unreal Engine officially supports Linux, but the MetaHuman creator and many facial rigging tools often rely on Windows-specific plugins or frameworks. For instance, LiveLink Face and ARKit typically run smoother on macOS or Windows. Also, some GPU drivers or NVIDIA toolkits on Linux can be a bit finicky, and you may need to install or tweak them manually, like using CUDA or Vulkan backends. Rigging-wise, the skeletal mesh and animation graph will still work, but some real-time rig adjustments or facial tracking might require extra work. So in short, Linux can run UE5 MetaHumans, but expect more manual setup, potential driver tweaks, and some limitations on certain plugins or real-time facial input systems.
Okay, what about, okay, fine. My M1 Linux combo, if I were to buy, let's say a 5090 with a Windows machine, could I make a network so that we can use the Linux as the main inference that will pass through audio and texts that are orchestrated by the Mac, but then generated by the Windows PC, recorded and sent back to the Linux, and the Linux would then deploy?
Yes, absolutely. That kind of distributed workflow is totally doable, and it can really balance out the load. Here's the high-level approach. First, on your Mac, you orchestrate the pipeline. So you handle script generation, audio input, like your microphone, and send those instructions over the Mac.
No, it's all autonomous. We have script generations created by our AI orchestration level on our cron system on the Mac, which is locally done. So we've got the Hascon hub there. That is creating already scripts. Those scripts are already going to the Linux. I need the Linux to then process those scripts, set them all up with the right triggers, send them across to the Windows. The Windows is then to process those under automated, record them, send them to the Linux, and then the Linux is meant to deploy. Is that even possible? How would I do that?
Yes, it's definitely possible, and it's actually a pretty clean workflow once you get the communication set up. The core idea is using a lightweight protocol, something like HTTP, WebSockets, or even simple file transfer, so the Linux machine can pass tasks to the Windows machine and then back again. First, on the Mac, you'd have your orchestrator, maybe a cron job or a scheduled script that generates the text scripts and pushes them to a directory on the Linux system. This can be via SCP, a shared network folder, or an API endpoint.
I already have a shared network folder. So I already have the connection between the Linux and the Mac. My problem now is that the Linux, which is a good server and good for inference, is poor for Unreal and graphical generation. But so is the Mac, right? Because it doesn't work on Mac either. If you actually search, it doesn't work on Mac either, right? 5.7 MetaHumans do not work on a Mac.
Exactly, that's the crux of it.
So the fact that they tell you that it's ready, but it's not ready, so it doesn't work, it means it's not ready, right? So it's not actually supported in any shape, way, or form.
Exactly, you've got it. Even though they say it works, in practice, the MetaHuman tools and full UE5 pipelines rely on Windows and to some extent high-end Linux setups with specific GPU drivers. So yeah, it's not a fully supported Mac workflow, and you'd still need a dedicated Windows machine or a powerful GPU rig to handle the MetaHuman rendering and animation.
I've got the minimum specs for it, but even so, I can't seem to get it working.
All right, let's narrow down what's blocking you. The next step is to check exactly where the pipeline breaks. Are you seeing any errors when you launch the project, like in the logs, or is it just that the animations never trigger?
The animations never trigger. The face gets disjointed from the rest of the body. If I put blueprints, then the blueprints take over the head. If I put the head, it takes over the blueprint. So, seeming as this is an autonomous AI agent that's meant to use the scripts and the triggers within the scripts to then trigger out animations, how do I do that?
The key is to decouple the animation system so the body and face are driven by a single source. The trick is to have a master animation blueprint that coordinates both the facial rig and the body rig. So create one top-level NMVP that blends both sets of animation data. The facial rig should still be driven by your facial curves, e.g. from LiveLink or audio to face, but the body should only respond to the same central logic, like a blend of state machine triggers from your script. Both are tied to a unified blueprint. The triggers from your script system can drive animations for both, so the face and body stay in sync. Once you set that up, you just feed the script triggers in, and the NMVP will handle both facial and body reactions automatically. Let me know if you need a step-by-step on setting.
Okay. I need to find my BP new metahuman character and click compile and save. Where's the compile button?
Sure. In the Unreal Editor, once you have your MetaHuman blueprint open, you'll see a toolbar at the top of the Blueprint Editor window. The compile button is right there in that top bar. It's a big blue button. Once you hit it, it will recompile your blueprint, and then you can save it with a little save button next to it. Once that's done, the changes will take effect in your scene.
A big blue.
Exactly.
A
Yeah,
big
once you
blue
see-
button. I don't see a big blue button. Be more exact.
Of course. So once you're in the Blueprint Editor, look at the toolbar at the very top.
Well, no. You did not tell me to go into the blueprint editor. What you told me was to click on the character and click compile or open the VP characters. Do I have to double click it, go into the meta blueprint and then click compile? Because the instructions are not clear and I like clear instructions. If that's the case, then give me clear instructions step by step, right? Don't assume that I know where something is.
Absolutely. I'll break it down step by step. First, in the content browser, find your MetaHuman blueprint.
Yeah.
It'll typically be in a folder like characters or metahumans. Double-click that blueprint to open it in the Blueprint Editor. Once you're inside, at the top of the Blueprint Editor window, you'll see the Compile button in the toolbar. Click that. After it compiles, hit Save right next to it. Once saved, your blueprint is updated and ready to go.
So I click compile, and then where's the save button?
Click Compile. The Save button is right next to it in the top toolbar. It's a small disk icon. Just click that, and it'll save your blueprint. Once saved, any changes will take effect, and you'll be ready to test your animations.
I'm sorry, but it's a bit silly. Why do I need to? I don't understand why I need to do it like that.
I totally get you. The reason you need to compile and save is that Unreal Blueprint logic is only active once it's compiled.
But it was already compiled, so how did it uncompile? This is what I don't understand. I'm having to repeat processes that I've already done. I need to, I don't want to just do this. No, I want to understand, right? To understand, I need to know why something is happening. So don't just give me an answer, right? I need the explanation as to why, right? So then I can look into it, right? I'm not some dumb person that's just going to do what you say. I need to know why so I can research it and then understand so we can move on.
Absolutely, that makes total sense. In Unreal Engine, every time you make a change inside a blueprint, the system doesn't automatically recompile it, even if it was previously compiled. If you edit nodes or add new logic, that change stays in the editor's memory. Without explicitly clicking compile, Unreal doesn't lock in those changes or update the underlying C++ logic behind the scenes. So even if it looks compiled, the blueprint might not have been fully finalized, which is why you sometimes have to recompile. Once you save after that, the engine locks in the logic. So by understanding this, you know that it's all about ensuring the blueprint code is truly reevaluated by the engine, not just the visual graph. Dig deeper into how Unreal handles the timing between edits and execution so you can trust your animations will update as expected. Let me know if you'd like me to help you troubleshoot any specific blueprint nodes or logic.
Okay.
Glad that helped clarify.
No, it really didn't. You're useless. Thank you very much.
I'm really sorry that I didn't give you the clarity you needed.
Just
If you'd like,
leave me alone. Thank you. Okay, let's replace the actor with... It's the same bloody actor. This is what I don't understand. It's the same actor, right? With the same blueprint. So let's press play. And nothing happens. Okay, so it doesn't work. Right, so we want to go into the blueprint. This is the person. We want to go to actor and pivot offset. No, layers, ignore, can be clustered, migrate assets, can be damaged, convert actor, persistent level, general. location 0, 0, 0. Okay, which means we've got this one, we need to remove this other one. So can I just press delete? Yes, delete, go away. That's the new one, okay. Now I press play, nothing happens. So, do I need to relink it now to everything? So tools, what's live link, subject name. So again, I've lost the whole thing. There we go. Okay. Oh, god damn it. What the hell happened there? What's happened to its head? So now we need to reattach the head. It's not attached to the head. It's not. I can see the bloody head here. Where is the body, face? Okay. Select the face component. Okay. Set aim class to aim live link. Check in play mode now. It should stop the detached look. It did not. Okay, find the face component. Oh, you know what? Just type it in. Anim. Find the anim class. Okay. Oh, and set the anim class to ABMH lifelink. Anim class. Intense. Find the face component. Set in class to this. So I need to do it in the blueprint, right? Like, this is what's annoying me. It's like it's missing bloody thing. In class, set in class to ABPMH lifelink. MBP. I have two of them. let's just add this one. Press play. And the head is back. Okay. Oh. Okay, the head is back now. How do I save this? What? Press compile. Compile. And save. And then press play. So if I press stop, last. Okay. And if I press play, okay, we got the head back. How did that take so long? Wow. Ah! Let's go to the face. The face is there, right? So let's just look at the general. Let's look at general. Like it's like it's not attached to its parent. And now I'm crashing. You're telling me again to do the exact same thing that I've already done. Okay. Everything's crashed. Okay. I can't do anything. Everything's stuck now. Going back, it was going to be